to that, what they eat. Herbivorous animal, carnivorous animal and omnivorous animal. Herbivorous animal used to eat plants and spat. Carnivorous animal used to eat flesh of other animal, and omnivorous animal eat both plants and flesh of other animal. Now we will discuss how do animal eat. It is not very easy to discuss how do animal eat because different animal eats in a different way. So here we can't able to categorize into 2, 3, 4 group. So here one by one I will explain you how different animal eats in a different way. Why they are eating in a different way? Because they are eating different type of food. That's why they eat in a different way. And second, they are getting food from a different places. So according to from where they are getting food and what they are eating, different animal eats in a different way. So first is biting and chewing. First way of eating is biting and chewing. Cow, goat, buffaloes, elephant, giraffe, these animals used to bite their food and then chew it. But then also they are eating in a different way. So cow, buffaloes, goat used to eat grass. They used to bite the grass and then chew it. Then elephant is having long trunk. With the help of long trunk, they used to push the branches of the tree and then eat it. Giraffe is having long neck because they have to eat the leaves of a tall tree. So they are having long neck to reach the leaves of a tall tree. They all used to bite the food and then chew it. Now I am talking about cow, goat and buffaloes. You have seen that these animals is not sitting idle. All time they used to do like this. They are chewing the food. So this cow, buffaloes and goat used to chew their cud. That is known as chewing the cud. So first what they are doing, cow used to swallow the food and take that food directly into their stomach, and whenever they get time they bring back the food from the stomach in their mouth and they chew it properly. Similarly goat and buffalo also do same. Now third is gnawing the food. Animal like rat, rabbit, squirrel, they used to gnaw their food. They used to bite the food and then eat it. These rabbit is having, or rat or squirrel is having sharp front teeth. Okay, with the help of these teeth only they used to gnaw the food. And they are eating nuts, fruits and seeds. Now fourth category, fourth type of eating is tearing and chewing. So animal like lion and tiger used to tear the flesh of other animal and then chew it properly. So they are having strong teeth, strong jaw, because they have to chew the flesh, and they are having sharp teeth by which they used to tear the flesh, and they used to run very fast because they have to catch the prey also. Now, fifth category is lapping milk and water. You have seen any animal drinking water? Like cow also you can say, otherwise dog, cat. You have seen how they are drinking milk? They are not drinking like us. They used to take out and take in their tongue, and like this only they used to lap the milk. Instead of drinking the milk, they are lapping the milk. They are taking out the tongue, in and out they used to do, and they used to lap the milk and water. Now, sixth type of eating is shucking the food. Some animal used to suck the nectar of the plant, or some animal used to suck the blood of other animal. So for example, this butterfly bees is having long tube, okay, thin tube. With the help of that tube only, they used to suck the nectar of the plant, and this tube is known as proboscis. Similarly, mosquito is having also long tube. With the help of that tube only, they used to suck the blood of human beings. Then leeches. You have heard the name of leeches? So leeches is having hundred of teeth. With the help of that teeth only, it attach in the body of other animal. It attached to the body of other animal with the help of those 100 teeth, and they used to suck the blood of the other animal. Now, seventh type of eating is swallowing the food. So some animals like a snake, frog, lizard, they used to swallow the food. These animals swallow their food whole. They never used to cut it or bite it. So they swallow the food as whole only. Frog and lizard is having sticky tongue. With the help of sticky tongue, they used to catch the prey, and then they roll it and take it inside and then eat it like this. Snake open their mouth very wide, means they open widely their mouth and they swallow the food. And one interesting fact, python can swallow the food of twice size of its mouth, means it can wide open their mouth twice of its size. What is the size is looking of the python now? Twice of that size they can open the mouth and they can swallow the food. Then earthworm. Earthworm also used to swallow their food, but instead of swallowing other animal, they used to swallow soil. They are living in the soil now, so they used to swallow the soil and they eat that dead plants and animals which is mixed in a soil. So like that, we have learned the different types, way of eating of an animal. Like that, some animal bite their food and chew their food. Some animal used to chew the cud, means first they used to swallow the food and afterwards they bring it out into the mouth and then chew it properly. Then third category, gnawing of the food. Example is rat, rabbit and squirrel. They used to gnaw their food. Then tearing and chewing. Some carnivorous animal, lion, tiger, they used to tear the flesh and then afterward they chew it. The lapping of the milk. Dog and cat used to drink water by this way only. We say they are lapping the milk and water. Then sucking the food. Some animal used to suck their food. Like that butterfly, bees, they used to suck the nectar, and mosquito used to suck the blood. Swallowing of the food. Some animal used to swallow the food as a whole only. They never used to bite, chew, tear. They used to swallow the food as a whole. Now children, in next chapter we will learn about the birds. So birds is also having different type of beak according to what they eat. And one interesting fact is that bird eat grains, and with the help of stone they used to crush those grains. So they eat stone to crush the grain what they have eaten. So that's all for today.